Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about x plus 1 equal to u to the power of 12, because if I put this one gone here, and here, then we cancel about the root of number 4, number 3, and number 2. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have number 1. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. And we have 12u to the power of 11 du. Next, we need to change the powers. When s equals to number 1 that's it from here. So we put number 1 gone here to find the value of u. So if we want to find the value of u, we need to put about the root of number 12 for the both sides. And we have like this. Next, when s equals to number 2, so we have number 2 in here. We put number 2 gone here. So 2 plus 1, we have number 3. And we can find the value of u equals to the root of number 12 of number 3. So this one we change by this one. The s we change by this one. Number 1 we change by this one. Number 2 we change by this one. So this one we have u to the power of 3. This one we have u to the power of 6. This one we have u to the power of 4. Now we put number 12 gone here. So we can do about factorization by u to the power over of 4. (11) with number 3 we have 14. Now we simplify u to the power of 4 on numerator and denominator. So about this one, we need to create the factor divided by u squared plus 1, and that should be like this. We add u to the power of 8. Later that we need to minus u to the power of 8. Then we need to minus u to the power of 6. Then we add back positive u to the power of 6. Then we put about u to the power of 4 minus u to the power of 4. Then we have minus u to the power of 2 plus u to the power of 2. Then we have number 1 and minus number 1. Now we can do about factorization by u to the power of 8. This one negative u to the power of 6. U to the power of 4. U negative u square. Now after we have this one, we divide by u square plus 1, and we have like this. Now we have u to the power of 9 over number 9. The next one, u to the power of 7 over 7, u to the power of 5 over 5, u to the power of 3 over 3. The next one we have u, and the last one we have octant of u. And then we put the powers from this one to this one. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.